Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Wasn't prepared to do this video, but I figured I would go ahead and do so. So I just got home from work, driving a 2017 STI, and the horn does not work. So what do you do in that situation? One, definitely don't panic. There's a couple of different things that it can be. In most cases, it's super easy. It's usually a fuse. Worst case scenario, it could potentially be like a clock spring, could be an issue with, airbag. I highly doubt it. I usually recommend start small and work your way up from there. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I have a meter that we're going to go ahead and we're going to just kind of measure amps, right? So basically what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and it's going to beep when I touch the fuse together, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. So we're inside the car right now. Let me show you. Nothing. Does not want to do anything. So hang tight. I'm going to show you under the hood. To the drawer of fuses. And I just happen to have one laying right here. It is the number 15. And let's go back out to the car and test it. Alright guys, we are outside of the car. We're actually underneath it right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn this over so you can see the fuse panel. And this is the fuse panel right here. You're going to see there's a clip right here. All you're going to do is push this tab and it'll pop up. There's a tab also right here. You're going to push that and pop it up. Alright, so then we have our fuse panel diagram. So as you can see on the upper, I would say it's probably like in the middle, you're going to see horn relay. It's actually fuse 15. So if we kind of compare this diagram to where we're at right here,
what we're going to do is use the voltmeter to measure the volt and the fuse.
Yeah, exactly. So let's go ahead. So we have a brand new fuse in my hand. So basically what Owen's saying is when you take the lead and you touch each end, it should actually make a noise. So what we're going to do is, because Owen doesn't have 5 hands, I'm going to go ahead and take the camera and I'm going to move the camera here and I'm going to hold the positive and the negative. In this case it really doesn't matter. Hopefully we can get this in the camera here. And essentially what that does is it's going to measure if the fuse is good. This particular fuse is good. Now Owen's going to go ahead, I'm going to free up his other hand, and he's going to go ahead and that fuse I showed you earlier, he's going to go ahead and touch the leads.
And as you can see, there is no beep coming from this fuse.
Which leads me to believe, Owen, that that fuse is bad, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I would.
So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to go ahead and replace that fuse. Super easy to do. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab our pliers, and all we're going to do, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, we're going to go ahead and just stick the pliers in there, and we're going to just give a little yank, and I bet this fuse is burnt, and it is. It's probably hard to see, but this fuse is burnt, which is why we have no beep beep. So the Hellas are very disappointed. They're not working right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this replaced. We're going to grab the good fuse that was in my pocket, which is this one, and we're going to place it right back into the house right here.
Which looks very easy to do.
Yeah, it's not hard at all. So now I'm going to go ahead and hold the voltmeter. Owen continues to touch the black and the red together, and we should hear a beep. And if we don't, that's because our voltmeter shut off.
Okay, am I good?
Yep. Perfect.
Okay, so
what's the final diagnosis, Owen?
So it looks that
Bad fuse.
yeah.
Bad fuse. So I'm going to have Owen go ahead and do the honors. Go ahead and get in that car, Owen.
Okay.
And I want you to go ahead and I want you to push on that horn and let's see if the hell has come alive. Boom. The hella horns are up and running again, and all it was a blown fuse. Alright guys, as usual, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the channel. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video right there. Like I said, don't go super crazy right from the beginning. You just quickly, everybody's quick to jump on Google and start doing some research, and you'll see clock springs are the issue, and it literally was a $2 fuse, if that. You can literally buy a whole box of them for $15, $20. But I'm going to go ahead and kick it over to my sidekick Owen for some last.
Alright guys, with that being said, pretty much wraps up the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. If you like this video enough, please share it with other people. And that's about it.
Awesome. Owen, I appreciate your help in DeFonzi's Garage. Like my man said, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.